Hey everyone, I have got to show you what came in the mail today. It is the Maybe You Should Talk to Someone workbook, and I made it just for you. So many of you have told me that when you were reading Maybe You Should Talk to Someone, you underlined, you dog-eared, you pulled out quotes, you put affirmations by your bed, over your desk, but you wanted something more. You wanted one place where you could take the lessons from the book and apply them to your own lives. And there's a particular quote in the book that goes like this: part of getting to know yourself is to unknow yourself, to let go of the limiting stories you've been telling yourself about yourself so that you can live your life and not the stories you've been telling yourself about your life. And I did a TED Talk about this based on the book, and so many of you responded to that, and I thought I want to take you through the process of editing your story. I want you to create your own masterpiece from the story of your life after a good edit. And that's what we do in Maybe You Should Talk to Someone, the workbook. It is an experience, it is a meditation, it is a practical toolkit, it has exercises, it has content from the book, it has examples from life and from the book, and I think it will make you look at your life entirely differently after you finish it. So, what do you need to do? You can pre-order it now. It will be available November 9th, but if you pre-order it right now, it will arrive on your doorstep as soon as it's available, and you can get them for yourself. You can get them just in time for the holidays, for family members or friends or anybody that you think would really make use of this. And I am so excited for you guys to try it and let me know how it goes.